What's up, y'all? I need somebody to show me how to tune my carburetor. It's the Edelbrock 650. I probably had it not even a year on here. I never got it tuned. I need somebody to show me how to, you know, do the gas and idle, gas and air mix screws on the Edelbrock carburetor. Like I said, it's running too lean. I think I can smell the gas. I don't know if you can see the smoke coming out, but it's smelling, it's running too strong, like gas. Smell it. You see it coming. So like I said, I need somebody to show me how to mix the air in. You know, the air and gas screw on here. She running. She got a lot of, you know, smoke, and I can smell it a little bit like the raw gas. Almost like raw gas. She running. What's it called? It's an Edelbrock 650 up here. Somebody showed me how to mix it, or best way how to do it. I'm gonna pop the hood so I can show you guys. It's an Edelbrock 650. But yeah, like I said, I got too much air and gas getting mixed, so it's almost kind of too lean. As you can see. But somebody show me how to do it or support me in the right direction. I greatly appreciate it. Thank y'all.